Hello bete, I am Tarunpreet Kaur of GMHS 38 West. We will do exercise 4.3 of class 6. First question is name the angles in the given figure. In this figure we are talking about, we have to name the angles of these figures. The angles of the figures are A, B, C and D. These in short we can write as A, B, C and D, but we have to write complete name. Complete name of the angle is angle DAB, means A can be written as angle DAB, or B can be written as angle ABC. B can be written as angle ABC. C can be written as angle BCD. BCD. Or D can be written as angle CDA. Means we have to write CDA. Full name of the angles are this: DAB, ABC, BCD, CDA, but in short we can write angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Next question, in the given diagram name the points. We have to name the points only in the interior of angle DOE. This is angle DOE bete, DOE, DOE, this angle form, and in the interior we have only one point in the interior. This is angle A. Means angle A, in the interior we have only one point, that is point A in the interior of the angle DOE. In the exterior of angle EOF, exterior of, look at the figure bete, look at the figure, this is EOF. In the exterior we have point A, we have point D, we have point C. Means in the exterior we have point A, point D and point C. All these 3 points in the exterior of the angle EOD. In third part we have to name, in the given diagram we have to look at this diagram. We have to look at this diagram in which we have to name the points on EOF. This is EOF. On this EOF we have one point on them, but we can say E is also lies on EOF, F is also lies on EOF, D is also lies on EOF. Therefore the point lies on EOF are point E, point B, point O and point F. These are 4 points lies on angle EOF. Next question, draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one point in common. Rough diagrams of angles means they have one point in common. This is one angle, this is another angle. We can name them, and this point is common. We can say O, this is X, this is Y, this is B, this is Q, and angles are angle XOY and angle POQ, in which O point is common. O point is common. Next is question 2 points in common. Third question, B parts, means we have to draw two angles in which have 2 points in common. If we say this A, B, O, X, P, two angles are angle POA, angle POA and angle XOA. They have 2 points O and A. 2 points O and A are common points. Next, 3 points in common, means we have to draw two angles which have 3 points in common. We can say these are two angles This is one angle X O Y. This is another angle P O Y, which have 3 points in common. We can say A, which have 3 points. One angle is angle POY, another angle is angle XOY. Common points are on these two angles. Common points are O, A, and Y. 3 points in common. These are two angles which have 3 points in common. Similarly, for 4 points in common, we can do any two angles. These are any two angles. We can write ABC, ABC. This is O, this is P, this is X. And angles, we can write angles as XOC and angle POC. XOC and POC have common points O, A, B and C. XOC and POC, they have common points O, A, B, C. All these points are common in these two angles. Next is one ray is common. For third question E part, one ray is common. This X O Y and P O Y, angle X O Y and angle P O Y, they have one ray O Y. O Y ray is common between them. Is that clear? Thank you, bete.